What's up, everybody? It's Paul Long, aka the Dodgefather, here at Southwest Chrysler, and welcome back to another Tech Tip Thursday. In this week's segment, I'm going to show you guys just how easy lane sense works. Now, this is put in the tech group. We put it in a lot of the vehicles, the Cherokees, Grand Cherokees, Pacificas, and this is just going to help keep your vehicle in lane. Now, I'm going to start by showing you in your apps, you can actually go through your settings, onto your safety and driving assistance. This is where you're going to have all the perimeters set for anything that you have in the safety tech group. As you see here, you have lane sense warning and lane sense strength. Now, this is just going to be how early you actually have the lane sense warning you that you are departuring, as well as the lane sense strength. Now, this is going to be how hard the steering wheel actually pulls you back into the lane. So lane departure is not meant just to let the car drive itself. It's just a feature that's supposed to be safety. Therefore, like those late night drives and you're starting to zone out or maybe drift off, you're starting to veer out of the lane, this is going to correct you, just give you a quick warning, and if you don't actually correct it, it'll adjust it for you. Now, what you're going to do is wait for this little icon here to go green. That means that the sphere is actually reading the road. And once it goes green, if you start to veer off into the lane, it'll automatically correct itself back into the lane. So there you have it, guys. There's just one of the features that the safety sphere does provide on the safety tech group. Again, my name's Paul Long, aka the Dodgefather, and thanks again for tuning in to another Tech Tip Thursday.